Bore da, I come to this beautiful converted watermill in Efailnewydd today. 3 bedrooms, sleep 6. So you have 2 double rooms, 1 twin room upstairs, sleep 6 altogether, shared family bathroom upstairs as well, then a log fire and lounge downstairs and a well-equipped kitchen next door to that. You've got your own private hot tub in this one as well, that's set up behind the cottage here. We're in Efailnewydd, as I say, so we're halfway between Abersoch and Pwllheli. Abersoch is about 5 miles to the east and it's famous for its sandy beaches, of course, and Pwllheli then just a couple of miles to the west. That's a larger harbour town. It's got a lovely marina and a good selection of pubs and restaurants for you. Let me go show you inside.
The sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck.